A National Assembly subcommittee has passed a special bill aimed at providing support measures for victims of home rental scams or 전세 fraud, including offering interest-free loans to affected tenants.
네, 전세사기 피해자에게 현시점의 최우선 변제금을 10년간 무이자로 대출해주는 등의 내용이 담긴 전세사기 피해 지원을 위한 특별법이 여야 합의로 국회 소위를 통과했습니다. 정말 우여곡절 끝에 통과가 됐는데요. 이 표현부터 좀 볼게요. 무이자 대출을 제공한다. Offer interest-free loans.
Most times when you take a loan, you have to pay interest.
Yep.
Additional money. It's like the cost of borrowing money. So in this case, you're going to be able to borrow the money. You got to pay that back, but that's all you have to pay back. You only have to pay back the principal.
그렇죠. 자, 여기서 원금 그리고 이자라는 단어들을 우리가 알아두면 참 좋은데요. 원금은 principal이고요. 그다음에 이자가 interest가 될 텐데 interest free니까 무이자가 되겠습니다. 그러니까 원금만 돌려주면 되겠죠. 이 해당되는 금액에 대해서는 so just the principal, no interest.
That's right.
And that's what the government is going to offer. So offer, 여기서는 제공하다인데요. Offer interest-free loans.
We could also say provide instead of offer.
Sure. And this is going to be for the affected tenants.
Yeah, a tenant is a renter. Someone who lives in a house that they don't own. The person who owns the house is called the landlord.
그래요. 여기서 tenant는 세입자를 말하고 있습니다. 그래서 반대말 집주인은 landlord인데요. 한 단어예요. landlord. tenant, opposite word, landlord.
You can also use renter instead of tenant as well.
아, 그렇군요. renter and tenant, they're both the same thing,
That's right.